The 1938 Citroen 15CV, coming up next on What's in the Box? What's in the box?
What's in the box?
What's in this box?
What's in the box?
Hello everybody, my name is Trevor Selescu and I'm the owner of Monster Hobbies in High River, Alberta, Canada. Well, tonight we're going to look at a French car from 1938, the Citroen 15CV. Now this car was very successful in France and they were in production all the way up until 1955. They were popular cars and the French government used a whole bunch, as well as the French criminal element. Their favorite color was black. And now, let's go down and open the lid on this amazing model kit. Now we begin our look at the Citroen 15CV by Heller. Nice little streamlined car of the old days, which had a good run in the real world, going all the way up to 1955. Let's take a look at this thing. So right away we get a very big instruction sheet. I'll just move our plastic over there. Nice artwork. History of the car in many languages. And there's our engine right there. And our tires and wheels. The dashboard. And our body. Now the body isn't actually cut like that. That's just a drawing so you can see where the upholstery pattern goes in the, of course, the windows and whatnot. And here's our seats with the little metal wires underneath. Pretty interesting how they bolt in. And there's our car going together there. Bit by bit. Piece by piece. Radiator and front fender. A whole bunch of neat stuff on this. Always interesting to see how other countries do their cars. And of course there is the decal placement. Now let's take a look at the actual plastic that's in the box. Now, this is an interesting setup because the tires, the glass, and the decals are all together in one bag, which hopefully has not put any tire burn into the glass. That can always be a bit of a problem. Ooh, I see something right there. Well, that's going to be fun for me to do later. Okay. Next up is the chrome, and this is a nice clear bag that the chrome is in instead of the American ones where they have all the warnings about not, eating the plastic bag or whatever. You can see some nice chrome on here. Now, I did start to work on this model, but there's some of the components. Here's our upholstery and the seats, as well as the dashboard. All molded in black. The parts for our car. And here is our engine. Nice radiator detail, nice exhaust there. The little wires for all our seats to sit in. Now our underpan. Very interesting how this was done. Just a flat piece of metal with little louvers in it so it doesn't collapse on itself. sort of like a corrugated cardboard box. There's our body. And here's the hood for the body, which would go there. Some really nice louvers in it. And the front fenders. Which of course when you glue on would be somewhere in here. Yeah, and that is pretty much it for our Citroen 15 CV. Well, I hope you enjoyed that episode of What's in the Box, where we got to look at the 1938 Citroen 15 CV. And if you would like to see some of our other videos in this great series, please click here, and click here. And don't forget to like and subscribe to us right down here so we can continue the good work of opening up models and showing you what's in the box.